Good afternoon to all of you. Now I am starting. Earlier I have taught formal charge, bond order, resonating structure, and now we will start technique, how to calculate lattice energy very shortly. So amount of energy released when 1 mole of ionic compound is formed from their gaseous constituent. Next is factors affecting lattice energy. First, size of cation. Second, size of anion. Third, cationic charge. Fourth, anionic charge. Fifth, charge density. Next is enthalpy of sublimation, bond dissociation energy. Next, enthalpy of ionization, electron gain enthalpy. But question is solved by, if you solve the question, you need 0.1, U2, 3, 4. By 4 choice, by 4 theories, you can solve any question. And I am writing here size of cation. So in this case, lattice energy is inversely proportional to size of cation. Size of cation. Here size of anion, again lattice energy proportional to 1 by size of anion, cationic charge, lattice energy directly proportional to cationic charge, and lattice energy directly proportional to anionic charge. So you can solve any question by these 4 points. And after discussing lattice energy, I will discuss the point number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So come here in periodic table. In periodic table, from left to right and from top to bottom. So in period, lattice energy increase because size decrease, and in group lattice energy decrease. This is the thing. But how we can solve the question? Okay. So come to question, then it will be cleared. Which has highest lattice energy? First, LiCl, NaCl, RbCl, CaCl. Second, LiF, NaF, KF, RbF. Third, NaCl, MgCl2, AlCl3, AlF3, AlCl3, AlBr3, AlI3, 5, AlCl3, Al2O3, BeO, K2O, MgO, MgSO4, MgSO4, MgCO3, MgO, Na2O, NaF, NaCl. These are the questions. By 7 questions, your theory will be cleared. So come to first, which has energy. There is LiCl, NaCl, KCl, RbCl, and CaCl. In all the cases, chloride ion is same. Cl minus is same. So It will depend on the size of cation. And here, lithium is the smallest. We come to previous screen. See here, lattice energy is proportional to 1 by size of cation. And when you come to group like as this, all are element of group 1A. Here is lithium, then sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So which one is the smallest? Smallest is lithium. That's why our answer will be what? Lithium chloride. Answer will be what? Lithium chloride.